Alright, so this is our final video on how to install Backsplash. So basically, if you see our other videos, we show you what tools you need. We'll show you how you should lay it out first, and then we show you your final results. What we're doing is we grounding it in, and anybody who knows the grout process, if you don't know the grout process, we're using a one-step adhesive grout. You apply it with your float. You go at multi different directions. I usually like to go at an angle. You let it sit 5 to 8 minutes. Also depends on the temperature of the room. Then you come back with your sponge, you clean water, and you wipe it off several times. I like to do it, wipe it off 2 times, let it sit, haze up, then you wipe it off once again, let it sit, haze up, come back with your terry cloth, dry rag, make sure everything is scope steady. So, please check out our next videos.